This one I call picture frame, and it's part 2 of the other video called rotating bow ties. This is so simple to make. It looks kind of difficult or tedious or I don't know what, but it's not. It's very simple. We start just like we did on that other one by sewing strips of fabric together. Okay, I chose black as my framing color, and I chose just a print here. 2 inches of your black, 2.5 inch strips of your color. All right, so just sew those together so you have a row of 4 strips there. Now from here, I want you to cut a length of 7.5 inches, okay? That, my friends, will look like this. Still simple, right? Now, cut this into an X diagonally and diagonally that way. Now when you do it, here's what you got. And this does make 2 quilt blocks. Now, earlier we talked about the rotating bow ties. Those used these pieces. I'm going to take these away, because we're not going to use those for this video. This one is about the picture frame, and it uses these. So when I cut 2 of those squares, it will make 1 little quilt block that finishes at 6.5 inches, okay? So here are the pieces for it, and I just have to rotate them around like, sometimes it takes a little playing, but I think I got it. Yeah, like that. That's what it looks like. Let me make sure. Yes, it's sort of a V shape that points out to that corner and another V shape that points out to this corner. That's what I got here. So when you stitch these together, you get this. And when you're doing these triangle shapes, stitch these 2 together, then these, and then fold your halves together, stitch those. So that's how you do that. Now, when you get a bunch of these, they're not so pretty by themselves. They don't quite make a statement or anything. But when you start laying them out together, you start to make that picture frame. Pull these down. You see that? You're starting to make that picture frame. And all in all, when they're all pieced together, that's what you've got. And I really love how this turned out. I hope you will give this one a try. I hope you will follow us on Facebook and like us on YouTube or subscribe to our YouTube, something like that. But anyhow, happy sewing.